Welcome back, guys. As you can see, we're outdoors here. What month is this? March. It's freezing. I don't have my hat on, but we wanted to bring the car outside because I think it looks insane out of the shop. This is our 2023 Land Rover Defender 110 urban Widetrack build. This car really came out nice. It's actually hard to believe if you look at the stock photos. We'll put a couple photos of that up side by side with this, that it's actually the same truck. And when we do these projects, sometimes they transform between, in front of our eyes, and it's hard to distinguish the changes until it's actually done. So I'm really excited the way this car came out. This is the first Widetrack package, I think, built in Michigan. I'm excited to be a part of it. This package includes everything. So if you're looking at some of Urban's packages online, this is the full Widetrack package. So this includes the XRS carbon fiber vented hood, which we've shown you guys in another episode or during installation. It has the Urban package lettering on the front, which I really like. It has the XRS carbon fiber grille. This also had, if you saw Justin wiring up the LED fog lights, which I think complements the headlights really well. And then also the front canards, which are these two pieces down here that direct air in. So it totally changes the front look of the car just from the grille and hood aesthetic. And then you add the big Widetrack package flares on. So these gloss black flares actually are applied similar to the way that we do the wide body stuff. They are urethaned. These will not come off at this point, so we PPF everything, and it basically becomes a part of the factory fender. That kind of ties into the lower gloss black rocker panels. These are factory step-up bars, so the same bars that were on it before. And then you can see the big Urban Widetrack mud flaps. These mud flaps obviously cover everything from our sick Vossen Urban forged wheels. Now, what I really like about these wheels is you can tell that they're an aftermarket wheel, but when you look at them, it kind of flows really well with the whole package. And this isn't me selling anything. I think these wheels were designed perfectly for the styling of the car, and I really wouldn't pick another wheel package, I think, to go with it. The Urban's done a great job choosing that. The other little detail that I like on the side is obviously the XRS carbon in different front fender vents. Just add a little different, unique styling to the side of the car that ties everything in together nice. And you know, we couldn't let the car sneak out with a little bit of label touch. So what Justin did up here is we covered the Land Rover, and we had the label script in the matching silver like the bezel from the original emblem. Now the XRS package also gets rid of all of your factory Land Rover and Defender emblems, so that's also why we added that, because that green just didn't look right. Now on the back, these small details make a big difference to me also. XRS carbon fiber rear wing. Fitment's perfect. It adds a little aggressive styling to the rear of the truck, and just something that I think ties in the front, the side vents, all of that together. Just a little element of carbon is never a bad thing. Coming around to the back, you see obviously it has the Urban lettering on the spare tire carrier. Again, just another detail that ties the whole package together. And down low, you see our Urban mud flaps, but here we have our Milltek exhaust. This exhaust, I really don't have any explanation for it other than it's insane. I was not expecting the sound to come out like this on this truck, but when you guys hear this truck and you see some of the clips, I'm not kidding when I tell you it sounds like a race car. It doesn't even sound like a Defender. So it's really interesting to hear that. And then with the tune, it has some pops, bangs, some crackle in it. It just sounds really, really good. And then the final little touch on the back is obviously our Urban XRS badging, just denoting that this is the top of the line Urban Widetrack build. So one other thing is, I think it's really special about this truck is that it is the Carpathian edition. Now in the Carpathian edition, it has the upgraded interior, the Alcantara wheel, which is really cool. The full view rear view mirror, which I believe Gentex makes that for Land Rover. And I should not forget to show you guys that this exhaust, while it is loud, still is valved. So Milltek provides us with 2 fobs. Cool little fob, and it has 3 settings on it. Closes, so the client will get this with their stock set of keys, so they'll be able to adjust their exhaust as needed. Overall, I'm really happy with the way this car turned out. This car is going to stay in Michigan. It's going over to the east side in Detroit. The client has had a G-Wagon in the past. This is his replacement to that car. I'm excited to get his feedback on it, get some of this content of this Urban up on the website so everybody can see what you can do with a Defender. Now these things are so common, we see them all the time here in town. I think as more people see these trucks come together and what you can do with them in the aftermarket, I don't think many will leave them stock anymore, because just take a look at it. I love it. That's going to wrap up this episode, guys. As usual, thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you hate it. Let me know why you hate it and give me a real answer with why you hate it. If you love it, I like to hear that you love it too. But in any case, keep in touch with us. Please like, share, and subscribe. And as usual, we appreciate you guys tuning in.